Hello guys, this is the other Mammoth Geyser here, and it's very let's find wildlife this time. Your sister, she's eating ice cream. Wawa mo. Wala siyang ano. Buti naalala ko siya. Wala siyang dalang treat niya. We don't give her her chewing gum. Baba tinago niya sa ilalim ng legs niya. Marunong din. Let's get
I found it on her legs. It's melted. That's her favorite spot to hide.
Under her leg? What's this about that?
Yeah. She gave us ice cream.
Tinago niya pa sa under ng leg niya. What you think? Grabe na pakaharagan niya ba? She jumped in the pool very far. Grabe. Grabe. Tapos yung pagdating natin sa cabin, nakita mo ba? Akyat baba siya. Ang bilis. Akyat baba. Hala, ang bilis. May andyan na. Grabe. Grabe yung energy niya ba? Oh my God. I think she went upstairs and down like 10 more than times. Is it 10 times more than? 10 more.
As soon as we go, take off shoes, she go up.
Yeah. She come to me and just kiss me.